siguro one major thing that happened to me in the past 3 years, or 3 years, siguro accidentally hurting people I love. I got in too deep the situation, and inevitably that hurt a lot of people close to me. The situation felt very much like an entrapment. Alam mo yun, it's not something na sabihin, can't divulge much, but it's something that is not, hindi siya yung easy no.
It really humbles you. Like,
Siyempre.
sasampalin ka talaga ng katotohanan na huwag kang mayabang.
Oo.
Pwede ba ilayo mo sa akin to?
Given the right reasons.
Oh, yeah.
Situation, people, anger, hurt.
But it's just to really, I don't know, understand it.
Understand it, and one big lesson is that you have to be a recipient of grace to understand how forgiveness is so
Na
important.
sobrang lalim ng pagpapatawad sa'yo na you should be able to like extend it to
Extend
others.
it and ask for it. Pero at the same time, the harsh reality that comes with that is not everyone will accept it. Some people, hindi nila kaya.
Oo. As in, end na yun. FO
Well,
na.
well,
Relationship
Over.
over.
But I'm hoping, someday, God's time, ayoko nang bida-bida na,
Oo nga, oo nga.
kasi,
Huwag mo na ipilit. Oo, it
sabog
takes
na-
two. It takes two.